And this one. That shit. Hey everybody, it's the Sudani Mommy, Miss Berna, back with another video. As you can see from the title, this is going to be a smoothie cleanse, dairy-free smoothie, meal replacement smoothie type video. I usually only eat 2 meals a day, so now one of those meals is a smoothie. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my smoothies and what the point is. I am on a weight loss journey. I gained more than a Corona cushion. I gained a couple pandemic pounds. I gained a second human. I gained a lot of weight during this pandemic. I also did have Corona, and that might have something to do with my body's holding on to the weight for survival. I don't understand it. These are all just my conspiracy theories. But somebody asked me hey, you should make a vlog about it. I'm like, I didn't think anybody would care about my smoothies, but I did. For the first week, I actually had my smoothies for lunch, and then at dinner, I would eat whatever meal I wanted. But I didn't really notice a difference, and going to sleep full was kind of like a habit of mine, because I didn't lose any weight last week when I did it. The only benefits was I gained weight, even when I did eat later in the day, so that was better, because I eat for emotional support, I eat for joy, for sadness, to pass the time, for boredom, anything, so. This one is more for nourishment, fuel my body. This Ninja Fit is on sale at Target for $40. It is incredible. So far, I like it a lot. It also comes with a recipe book. It's not a review on this, but I'll just let y'all know. And maybe the sale's still going. You guys might be able to copy yourself one. I'll also link it down below. My dinner smoothie. Sometimes I go to sleep at night and that's my dinner. I used to remember being so broke, all I had was sleep for dinner. Today's Wednesday, so it's my third smoothie. Every day for dinner, I'll have a smoothie. On Monday, I just fell asleep, so I didn't actually have a smoothie. Tuesday, I had a mango smoothie yesterday. You gotta mix it up and keep it fresh, or you'll get bored. You'll kill yourself with boredom. So today's smoothie, I call it the Pink Zebra. I didn't coin the term. Annie's Parlor in Dinkytown actually had it. For this smoothie, it's similar to that, so it'll have strawberries and it'll have Nutella. And this blade is a little nicer than my last one, which was dope. It was still really powerful, don't get me wrong, but this has 3 different sets of blades. It has the bottom one, the cross ones, and this one. That shit crushed instantly, so yeah. But the only thing I don't like about this is you actually have to hold it to blend, whereas as my old one, you can hold it, lock it, and then go do whatever you want. But I guess it's a safety thing that it's better that it actually doesn't do that. Let's get a measuring cup and see how much I'll actually end up using. Quick life hack: if you use frozen fruit, you don't have to use ice. I like going it to right here. And then I'll put a spoon of Nutella. Instead of using yogurt, I like to use kefir because it has probiotics. The diet that you eat is really important, and you need to have a well-balanced bacteria gut. That pyramid of eating everything is important. You can't really just be 1000% veggies or 1000% meat or 1000% seafood or whatever. You need a balanced diet. You have to eat everything, legit. Besides processed food, because there's no nutrients in there. Fruits and vegetables, the proteins, the seafood, all that. But if you have allergies, within reason. So I take these, my smoothie, and I also have my multivitamins I take at night before bed. Half a cup of this yogurt in. And then my least favorite thing ever to walk this egg. So I'll use about 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. It says 1 or 2 scoops, so ain't no way I'm eating that much chocolate. Half a cup. I'm going to use a handful of spinach. The leafies are kind of big, so I like to break them up in here. Twist it on, make sure it's nice and tight. Right and tight. And then plug it in. That might be helpful. And you always watch for the consistency. A straw and a mason jar for aesthetic purposes. I think I'm gonna add a couple more strawberries, actually. Cheers. heavenly. See you guys tomorrow. Hey y'all, welcome back to my second smoothie. Today's smoothie is going to be mango, protein powder, and almond butter. Frozen smoothie with a little spinach for fun. And a little ice to keep things light. Yesterday, so I'm going to use 1 cup. Some kefir again. Scoop of almond butter. This is 1 teaspoon today's smoothie. I'll actually make, so I'm making one for me and one for my friend. I have a new mix that we're going to try. It's pineapple, mango, peaches, one, and strawberries, but I'm not adding the strawberries in there. While I'm making this lovely smoothie today, I'll tell you I researched some of the benefits of kefir, because I was a little confused about probiotics. But kefir has other bacteria, or probiotics, that help your gut health, help strengthen your immune systems, combat skin issues, inflammation. I remember if I was like bloated or constipated, or I just had an upset stomach for whatever reason, I could drink some kefir and it relieves it instantly. Instant relief. So make sure you take care of your guts and you'll have better overall health. Spinach as usual, you know, just a light herb, decorate up. Almost out, so I grabbed another one. And I feel like my mango smoothies aren't mango-y enough, so I am adding actual mango nectar to it, just to give it that additional fruit mix. And I'm also not putting protein powder in this one today. I had beef today, I don't need the protein. And then we'll add some of this. And for dinner, I don't just have my smoothie, which I should, but I also, like yesterday I had a drumstick. No carbs, just a drumstick. And today I think I'm gonna try and finish this first, and then afterwards eat half a chicken croissant sandwich and not the whole thing, because you know your digestive system gets slower at night. Perfect. Giving very much island vibes. It's all in my Coke glass. Huge smoothie. So today we have tropical, we got some peach in here, we got some pineapple. And we got a little more juicy goosey. And even the best part, health-wise, was the fact that we actually have kefir that is sugar-free. Get on there. Cheers. Often it's gonna be some shit where you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be wanna, do wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be wanna, do wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be wanna. We don't stutter till I die. This is technically day 7 of my smoothie day, but I'm not really feeling a smoothie right now. But I do have an upset stomach, so in here I had ferment was some watermelon, basil, apple cider vinegar, and water. It's like a lot of water just because, you know, watermelon, it's got a lot of water. So I put 2 scoops of a ladle in here, same for blended it up, and then I'm adding sparkling water. Like, this is super concentrated and it's way too strong, but I'm gonna dilute it with some bubbly. And there you go. This will be my beverage for the day. Apple cider vinegar is awesome because it kind of aids in digestion, and everybody knows the benefits of apple cider vinegar, but this one just makes it like a cute little fun summery drink. That's what I'll be having today, and you know I love basil. Put basil on that hoe.